Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. This is a day trade that I'm currently making. This is ticker IVZ. And before I show you basically what the chart looks like right now, I'm going to show you where I got in at. So I got in back here a little bit high. You know, I was trading in ticker AMD today, which had a very good run. Actually, I called it out in our Discord chat room. So if you have taken my free stock trading course, you would know how I find these stocks. And this one right here, you know, like I said, I kind of got in a little bit late to this one. And, you know, I was wanting to just write it out a little bit to see how it functioned. And, well, my average right now is $26.33. So I literally got in right here at the top of this candlestick. And you can see where it went up a little bit, and this is what I was watching for right here. You know, how far is this going to dip once it broke past this upper Bollinger Band line? And it actually didn't really dip too bad. So let me show you how it had performed throughout the day. As you can see, it just slowly kept creeping up. And about right in here is when a lot of momentum started, you know, to come in. And even though it did take a slight dip there, it started shooting up fairly quick on the 5-minute chart. Now you can see we're pulling away from this upper Bollinger Band line, and I am actually going to just go ahead and make a sell. So the level 2s are looking pretty solid right now, so I should be able to, you know, it's just 200 shares. So, okay, yeah, so I had no problem selling that. So, yeah, in that day trade, I made $208 profit. And, you know, this was a very good trade for me. AMD today was outstanding, and I have a video on that as well, but I actually didn't sell in it, so I may or may not post that one. But so if you want to find out how I make these trades, look into my free stock trading course, and I literally give you all the tools. So it's up to you. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next one.